This is a story about Buzaj. He was born near here in St. Primož. He was a brave and cunning man. Buzaj worked in an inn. The woman who owned the inn was Conchorisa, and she wanted Buzaj to be her lover. But Buzaj was in love with Barca. No, each leave it is. No. Okay. But I don't love you. Buzaj. Barca. So Buzaj packed his bag to leave, but Conchorisa hid some money in his bag. She told the policeman to stop him, and he said,
"What is your bag?"
and Conchorisa says,
"You stole my money. Don't do it."
so the policeman took Buzaj to prison for stealing. After some years in prison, Buzaj escaped and came back to the country where he met a friend. And so Buzaj met Barca again, and she said,
"Meet them instead of money." Yes, I do.
After that, Buzaj stole from the rich and gave to the poor. The people loved him, but the police were always looking for him. And when he was killed by the police, Barca planted a rose on his grave that still lives today.